For more than 10 years, Viora has been making patients look and feel their best. Viora offers the best solutions for hair removal, cellulite reduction, skin rejuvenation, acne clearance, and more.
Please welcome Dr. Ina Balinki, Clinical Training Manager at Viora. Welcome to Aesthetic TV.
Hello, thank you for having me here. I love it.
Exactly how does the V30 work?
So V30, it's an aesthetic platform based on different technologies. We have in one system different handpieces. Every handpiece based on another technologies. You have IPL-based handpiece, you have radiofrequency in non-invasive, you have minimal invasive radiofrequency, which we call fractional radiofrequency, you have laser Nd:YAG inside. So different technologies provide you full application configuration in one platform, in one system.
How many aesthetic procedures are possible using this platform?
Well, the list is quite long because we have different technologies, so each technology can provide you with different application. But in general, you have skin rejuvenation applications, skin resurfacing, skin tightening, hair removal, acne, and so on. Based on every technology, you have a list of different applications.
Let's learn something about the function of each handpiece.
So let's start from the first one. We call it VIPL. IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. Since it's made in Viora, we call it VIPL. So this handpiece has 5 different filters. Each filter is indicated for another application. So you have acne clearance filter, you have 2 filters for hair removal for dark skin type patients and for light skin patients. You have skin rejuvenation filter, which you can do general skin rejuvenation, pigmentation of vascular lesions, and also you can do combination of different protocols in one handpiece. In addition, you have 2 spot size. The big one, which you can use when you want to cover huge treatment area. For example, if you're doing legs hair removal, you need big spot size. You also have very small spot size, which is suitable when you're working on very small sensitive areas, your upper lip or around the eyes. So also you have a contact cooling mechanism inside, which makes the treatment much more comfortable and safe, which usually we can see as very important factor during the treatments.
So the device is safe on any skin type, but what about pain or downtime?
Well, the pain issue and downtime, it really depends on the application and the technology that you use. Some of the applications and technologies are painless, like pain-free. You don't feel anything and there is no downtime. So after the treatment, you can go to the work and continue with your daily life. Some of the applications, you have some type of discomfort and also have some downtime. It can last from 1 day up to 1 week, but not more of that.
Superior light technology with various pulse structures allows more effective treatments for all skin types and conditions. Incredible results in acne clearance, skin rejuvenation, pigmentation, and more.
Welcome back to AM Northwest. If age spots or facial redness are making you unhappy with your appearance, the latest medical aesthetics can help. Here to explain, we welcome from Viora, Kara Moncrief. Good to have you with us, Kara.
Thank you.
So what do we have here? Is this the one tool that does it all?
It is. This is our new high-powered IPL system, and we can treat all kinds of different cosmetic concerns, such as rosacea or broken capillaries, spider veins, all the way to hair reduction, acne, and age spots, sunspots, and freckles.
That's an awful lot in one machine. How does it do that? How does it, like, you know, you say broken capillaries and rosacea, for example. How does it work?
Well, actually, we're using a broad spectrum of light and different wavelengths to treat all of these different cosmetic concerns.
So when you say IPL, what does that mean?
It's intense pulse light.
And is it painful at all to undergo the procedure?
It's not. They used to be. The first generations of IPLs were. It would almost feel like a rubber band snap with some heat, but ours is very, very comfortable. We are able to deliver the energy differently, so we're taking that rubber band snap out of it, but we also have contact cooling. So we're cooling before, during, and after every pulse. So you're actually feeling the cooling of the crystal in the handpiece instead of the heat.
Oh, I'm guessing for hair removal, it's got to be far less painful than waxing.
Yeah, very, yes. And much more permanent.
Well, and that was the question. How permanent for any of these treatments, say rosacea or hair removal?
Well, we recommend a series of 3 to 6 treatments. You can see great results just after one, but the patient also has to live a healthy lifestyle. If we're treating sunspots, for example, if they really are careful about staying out of the sun, wearing sunscreen, they can be permanent.
Let's take a look at we have sunspots here as an example and what we're seeing.
Yeah, beautiful results. This was actually only 2 treatments. So as you can see, she didn't even need to do the series of 3 to 6. She got those great results
that
after
looks
2.
amazing.
I know.
And then would you follow up maybe several months later to do it again?
Yeah, absolutely. We recommend anywhere from 6 months to a year, just one maintenance.
Okay, and you said you treat rosacea.
Yes.
How long does that kind of treatment take? And I'm looking at
They only
rosacea here.
So this treatment would have only taken about 20 minutes and can be even less. So actually the patient can come in on their lunch break, and because there's almost no downtime and sometimes not at all, they can go back to their daily activities. So go back to work and go back to any type of daily activity with no downtime.
And when we say hair removal, are we meaning any hair you don't like?
Yes, exactly.
So on your forearms, your legs, your back, your neck,
Exactly,
wherever.
face,
Yeah,
wherever.
we're just looking at that
Male
on the
and
forearm
female.
as well.
Yes.
That's kind of incredible. Does it tighten up the pores as well?
It does. So even treating acne. So we can treat acne and kill the acne bacteria, but we're actually getting a tightening of the pores.
We're looking at a before and after of acne treatment.
Yep.
That's amazing.
It's remarkable. Who's the ideal candidate for these kind of treatments?
Anybody, male, female. As you can see, this is a younger gentleman that's suffering from acne, all the way to a lady that is a little bit older. So really anybody.
And you mentioned, a healthy lifestyle for like age spot removal, things like that. What do you mean by that specifically? It might be startling people that they're not healthy enough for the treatment.
It's not that. We are removing the age spots or sunspots, but really we just don't want to run back out and get in the sun and not wear sunscreen. So that's what I mean by that. If we do a series of treatments and we remove that sun damage, they can be permanent if we're staying out of the sun.
All right, let's talk about where we find Viora.
You can actually go to our website. It's www.vioramed.com, and we have a physician's locator.
And if I go in for a consultation, say, to one of these places, they may be able to suggest what I might need or how many sessions it might take?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
You don't need any sessions. You look just fine. But we will have more information, too, on our website at KAT.com. If you'd like to learn more, it'll be right there on the website. Thanks for coming in.
Yes,
This was fascinating.
absolutely. Thank you.
Good to have you here.
Thanks.